if the goal of the video is actually planting ideas or seed or plant ideas to the subconscious mind of the viewers so that later you can sell your product, it is written in that way. If it is written in that way, then the script or the story or the voice in the video that I am going to create should be right or goes like that. Because so there's actually a video in Facebook ads is actually okay, you can make it salesy, but you know, when you do hard selling, people actually don't want to buy if you're really pushing hard. But it depends, like say for example, if they really need it, you can make Facebook ads for those who are actually looking for it. It is a commodity, you know, it is actually people need it. You just have to deliver or write the story or the script in a way that actually convince them why they should buy your product or service. If the purpose of that video is actually to sell directly or to generate leads and sales. Now, if the video is actually brand awareness or planting ideas to their mind, I'm gonna write it in a different way. In the purpose of the copywriting or the video is actually not to generate leads or sales, but first to gain trust and plant ideas to their mind to convince them to create a narrative, something like that. So it's gonna be written in a different way. Of course, I'm gonna use AI for convenience to speed things up, but still, as a human, I'm gonna be the one to decide if it is final or the design of it